So, got the car on a hoist, just doing a service. You can see, get the light here for you. So, I'll have to take a look at that oil pressure sender there, see if I can put my own one in there for my gauge. Other than that, that's the electronic fan controller thingy. There's my turbo there. Don't know what it is. Wastegate. All the goodies, got a few oil leaks. Got that CV boot is stuffed. A lot of cobwebs, got to clean those up as well. Bunch of goodies. GIC coilovers. Don't know if those are stock or not. Bushings are a bit stuffed. Yeah. Looking pretty good. Turbo, a muffler there, probably get rid of that at some point maybe. Yeah. Yeah. Down there. All that, a bit rusty. Another muffler. Out to a fat exhaust at the back there. Very nice. Very, very nice. Yummy. That's the rear of the car there. Looks pretty baller.